Hi everyone, it's Frances again from York County Library in South Carolina. I'm here this morning to do a little tutorial for a take and make craft. It's little ornament wreaths made out of shower curtain rings, tinsel pipe cleaners, and some little bows I bought at the Dollar Tree. In fact, I bought everything at Dollar Tree. So they're super simple to make and take just a few minutes. Let's get started. So here's what you need to make your little ornament wreaths. Plastic shower curtain ring, and you want to make sure that it's locked into place. 5 tinsel pipe cleaners and a little bow. So all you do is hold it in place, the pipe cleaner, and just wrap around the shower curtain ring. You don't even need any glue. Just keep going. And when you get to the end of one, you start another. And just keep on wrapping. When you've finished wrapping the shower curtain ring with the tinsel pipe cleaners, the little bow has a twist tie on it. So I put mine up at the top where the shower curtain ring snaps together, and you just bring the twist ties around to the back. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. If you have enough of the twist tie left, take something like a paintbrush or a little dowel, something round, and you can make another little loop with what remains of the twist tie. And there you have something to hang it from if you want to hang it on a tree, or you could put some ribbon through it and use it as a gift tag on a gift for someone. So there you have it. Couldn't be easier or faster. Enjoy, and happy holidays.